Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to take a quick little tour of the cart that I found to use for my fiber laser. So I know everybody's got a little different setup, but if you're looking for a place to put your fiber laser that gives you a little bit of mobility, I think this is a great solution. So let me show you around with what I found. So here's the cart that I found. I bought this from Walmart. I was able to get it in store. It comes in a box. You do have to put it together. I'll put a link in the description. And if I can find it anywhere else like Amazon, I will put that link as well. But let me just give you a couple of the quick features on this. Obviously, it's got a handle in the back here. There are wheels at the bottom that are lockable, so that makes things handy. For example, today is a very cold day in Florida and I did not want to do these videos out in the laser shed. So I just wheeled the thing right inside. So first off, the top, there is some storage underneath this here, but you kind of give that up for this setup because the laser is sitting on top. But you do have these drawers. So I've got two drawers down here, and that gives me all sorts of space. So I've got jigs in here, I've got my paperwork, my notebook where I write all of my settings, etc. I've got a bunch of samples in here, some test grids, so things that I need to keep track of. So good amount of storage there, and then there's an even larger drawer down here, and I tend to keep all my extras. So I've got my other lenses in here, I've got some blanks, I've got the foot switch should I need that, blank coins, all sorts of stuff, the case for my glasses, my levels, tools, etc., etc. So plenty of storage. And then down in the bottom, I've got space for the power source, my rotary, my air assist, and because of the way that this is designed, you can actually fit and route your cabling. So initially I was looking at a much bigger cart that was solid, basically like a workbench or a tool chest, but then I was going to have to put the laser source, the power supply, etc., just off to the side, and that would have been a little bit of a challenge with everything else. But this actually fits right inside here. You do have to tilt it to get it in, but you can see there's a little bit of a gap up here, so we've got good airflow, and then I'm able to route my fiber cable right up here, and so that works out really well. So again, I thought this was a great example of something that you might find useful as well. It is, I guess, probably just painted steel, so I've got magnetic holders here that I'm able to just put onto the side to hold all sorts of things. So again, just a fabulous cart. It may be something that you would find useful and like to utilize in your fiber laser world. So there you have it. That is my really quick, not really a review, but just something to let you know what's out there and possible. As always, if you like what I'm doing here on the channel, please take a moment to hit the like button, hit the little bell so you get notified when I drop new content, and also please hit that subscribe button. We are over 2,200 viewers now. We're just growing fairly rapidly, and I appreciate all the time that we get to spend together. So as always, let's just keep on learning, burning, and growing together. Take care, everyone.